Today, we're diving deep into the world of financial independence, financial education, and true wealth. And who better to learn from than the legendary investor himself, Warren Buffett? In this video, we'll explore 10 signs that someone might be fake rich and how Warren Buffett's wisdom can guide us towards genuine financial success. Warren Buffett, often called the Oracle of Omaha, is one of the richest and most successful investors in history. He's not only amassed enormous wealth but has also shared invaluable insights about financial independence and wealth building. Let's start with sign number 1. Sign number 1. Flaunting material possessions. The first sign of being fake rich is flaunting material possessions. Warren Buffett's frugal lifestyle speaks volumes about his philosophy. He resides in the same Omaha home he purchased in 1958 for $31,500. Which underscores his belief in avoiding extravagant spending on a larger, more ostentatious residence. Buffett also drives a modest car, favoring utility over luxury. His approach isn't about denying oneself comforts, but rather recognizing that true wealth is built through wise investments and appreciating assets like stocks and businesses. In contrast, those who focus on flaunting their possessions often neglect their financial future by tying up their wealth in depreciating assets. It's a critical lesson from the Oracle of Omaha. Sign number 2. Overspending. Another sign that someone might be fake rich is overspending. Warren Buffett's financial wisdom underscores the importance of living below your means. He advocates for saving and investing with discipline to secure your financial future. Buffett's approach embraces the concept of delayed gratification, which entails sacrificing short-term luxuries for long-term financial security. By resisting the temptation of extravagant spending today, you can build a solid financial foundation for tomorrow. This principle is not about depriving yourself but rather making deliberate choices that align with your financial goals. It's a reminder that true wealth is not determined by what you spend but by what you save, invest, and ultimately accumulate over time. Sign number 3. High debt levels. Sign number 3 in identifying fake rich individuals is high levels of debt. Warren Buffett, known for his financial acumen, cautions against excessive debt. While debt itself isn't inherently bad, it's the management of it that makes all the difference. Buffett advises that debt should be used judiciously and never to finance a lifestyle beyond one's means. Fake rich individuals often rely heavily on credit to maintain a facade of affluence. This reliance on borrowed funds can lead to a cycle of debt, making it challenging to achieve true financial independence. Buffett's mantra is to be cautious with debt, using it strategically for wealth-building opportunities and ensuring that it doesn't become a burden. By following his advice, you can steer clear of the pitfalls of excessive debt and work towards genuine financial security. Sign number 4. Lack of investments. Sign number 4, highlighted by Warren Buffett's wisdom, is the absence of investments. Buffett's core principle revolves around the power of investing to build wealth over time. A lack of investments can be a glaring sign that someone might not be on the path to true financial independence. Buffett's advice is clear. Invest in assets like stocks and businesses that you understand. This means doing your due diligence, acquiring knowledge, and making informed decisions about where to put your money. By not investing, you miss out on the opportunity for your money to work for you, potentially limiting your ability to grow your wealth and achieve lasting financial success. Remember, as Buffett says, the best investment you can make is in yourself and your financial education. Sign number 5. Ignoring financial education. Sign number 5, closely tied to Warren Buffett's philosophy, is ignoring financial education. Buffett places immense value on continuous learning and understanding the fundamentals of finance and investing. Ignoring financial education can be detrimental to your financial well-being. Buffett's success isn't just about innate talent. It's a result of relentless self-improvement and staying informed about the ever-evolving financial landscape. He encourages everyone to embark on a journey of learning, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting. Understanding financial principles empowers you to make informed decisions, assess risks, and identify opportunities that can lead to genuine financial independence. By neglecting this aspect, you may unknowingly hinder your progress towards building lasting wealth. Remember, knowledge is a key asset in the world of finance. Sign number 6. Chasing quick riches. Moving on to sign number 6, we find the pitfall of chasing quick riches through speculative investments. Warren Buffett, the epitome of long-term success, is a staunch advocate against succumbing to short-term fads. Many fake rich individuals fall prey to the allure of get-rich-quick schemes and volatile investments, hoping for rapid wealth accumulation. Buffett's philosophy, however, centers on patience and a long-term approach. He often quips, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." By avoiding impulsive decisions and focusing on enduring value, you can align your investment strategy with Buffett's principles, increasing your chances of building genuine wealth over time. Remember, true financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. Sign number 7, not giving back. Sign number 7 delves into the notion that true wealth isn't solely about amassing riches. It's equally about giving back to society. Warren Buffett, renowned for his benevolence, has pledged to donate the majority of his wealth to philanthropic causes through the Giving Pledge initiative. A lack of charitable giving can be a conspicuous sign of someone being fake rich. While financial success is a noble pursuit, the fulfillment derived from making a positive impact on the world is equally invaluable. Buffett's commitment to giving back underscores the idea that wealth should be a force for good. Incorporating philanthropy into your financial journey not only benefits those in need but also brings a profound sense of purpose to your wealth-building endeavors. Remember, genuine wealth encompasses not only what you accumulate but what you contribute to society. Sign number 8, neglecting emergency funds. Sign number 8 touches upon a critical aspect of financial security: neglecting to establish an emergency fund. Warren Buffett, despite his immense wealth, recognizes the importance of having a financial safety net for unforeseen circumstances. Neglecting emergency funds can leave individuals financially vulnerable. Life is filled with unexpected expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or sudden job loss. Buffett's advice is clear. Set aside a portion of your savings into an easily accessible emergency fund. This fund acts as a shield, ensuring that you can weather financial storms without resorting to high-interest debt or depleting your long-term investments. By prioritizing this prudent step, you not only protect your financial well-being but also align yourself with Buffett's strategy of preserving and growing wealth through all of life's uncertainties. Sign number 9. No clear financial goals. Sign number 9 brings us to the necessity of establishing clear financial goals. Warren Buffett's wealth is not an accident. It's the result of deliberate planning and goal setting. Without defined financial goals, it's easy to drift aimlessly in your financial journey. Buffett emphasizes the importance of setting specific objectives, whether they involve saving for retirement, buying a home, or funding your children's education. These goals act as your financial compass, guiding your decisions and ensuring that your efforts align with your aspirations. By neglecting to define your financial path, you risk squandering opportunities and losing sight of the bigger picture. Embracing Buffett's advice empowers you to navigate your financial journey with purpose and intention, increasing your chances of achieving true wealth and financial independence. Sign number 10. Inflated lifestyle. Sign number 10 delves into the danger of living an inflated lifestyle to impress others, a classic indicator of fake richness. Warren Buffett's wisdom underscores the importance of staying true to your values, irrespective of societal pressures. Many individuals fall into the trap of excessive spending and materialism to maintain appearances. Buffett, on the other hand, lives a remarkably frugal life despite his immense wealth. His message is clear. Your self-worth shouldn't be defined by your possessions or the opinions of others. By resisting the allure of conspicuous consumption, you can allocate your resources wisely, prioritize what truly matters to you, and focus on long-term financial goals rather than short-lived social recognition. Emulating Buffett's mindset allows you to lead a more authentic and financially fulfilling life. Remember, it's about your financial well-being, not about keeping up with others.